Hey, do you want to know a couple really cool text hacks for your vertical social media stories? I'm going to pop in my phone and show you on a quick tutorial on how to do these. Don't mind the boxes in the back, we just moved. If you don't know me well, my name is Stephanie Parisi and I love helping small business owners grow their influence and profits online using marketing strategies that actually work. And I'm also the leader of the Parisi Pack, a private marketing community for entrepreneurs. Let's dive into this tutorial. Okay, so we're gonna open up Facebook and then you're gonna hit the little plus sign to create a story, okay? Now, I'm gonna pop in a video of my boys being silly on the beach. Let's do this one. And then we're just gonna add text to this, okay? So we're gonna just click text and my boys are being... What if I wanted this to all be on one line? So you see this thing here on the side? You may not have ever played with this before, but it allows you to control how many words are on the line of your text. So if I want it to be 2, that's awesome. But this is a really, really helpful hack, especially when you are writing out something, say, for your business, okay? So I could click the share button, okay? So let me show you what I mean by writing something out for my business, okay? So say I'm honoring Becca, who just promoted in her business, and I'm talking about all the different benefits of joining the business. So I could do something like updated, and then I could say no list, trending products, you name it, right? So I could say all these different things. So say I want that first one to all be on one line, that allows me to do it, okay? So it's just a really cool little hack so you can have more control in terms of how your text lays out, okay? Let me show you one other really cool hack that I like. And that is if we go back to the top and we click the button, okay? And then if you go to text, you're gonna see that Facebook automatically pops up this background, okay? So Facebook is really bringing out avatars. I filmed some other videos on this recently, but you can see you have all these different avatar options if you scroll. Like here, I used this one the other day, the mountain goat. So I'm just clicking this little bubble that says background, but there's so many new ones with your avatar. It's a big thing that Facebook is doing in terms of really wanting people to start engaging like in the metaverse. And so you're gonna see lots of new avatar features. Check out these videos that are popping up to see some of the more recent ones that are coming. If you need an overall general tutorial on how to create stories, check out this video that pops up. But so like this is a cute one for Valentine's Day coming up. Lots of different options here. So you maybe didn't know that these different avatar easy text backgrounds even existed, but it's fun to use them. So you hit the button, pop in, and then you could add your quote or whatever. Add quote here, just writing. Again, if you scroll here, you're gonna be able to change your font. You're also gonna be able to, again, use this button on the side to control how the text lays out if you want it to just be all in one line. You can use the button to make it verbal if you want, okay? So lots of different things rolling out. Make sure you're paying attention to these as they come, okay? For more marketing tips, head on over to stephanieparisi.com. You can join my free private Facebook group called Create Stories That Sell, and also check out the Pack membership for more help with your business. I hope you enjoyed this video today. While you're on my channel, check out either of these 2 videos that are popping up on the screen. They're here to help you win in business. And I'll be back next week with another new video.